I'll show you how to send your Sui token from your Sui wallet to Binance. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. First, you're going to open up and log into your Sui wallet. Once you're logged into your Sui wallet, we're going to go right over here and tap on send. Right here where it says select coin amount, we're going to enter in the amount of Sui we want to send to Binance. I'm just going to tap on max. Next, we have to put in our deposit address for Binance. To do that, we're going to open up and log into our Binance account. If you don't already have a Binance account, I'll leave you a link down below in the description that will get you $100 in trading fee credits. After you've logged into your account, we're going to go right down here to the bottom right hand corner and tap on the wallet icon or assets. And once you're in your overview page, we're going to go right over here and tap on add funds. Select on-chain deposit. Next, we're just going to look for Sui in this list. If you don't see it in the list, you can simply search for it in the search bar up top. Tap on Sui. Choose the Sui network. And this is your Sui token deposit address for Binance. Go right down here and tap on the 2 squares to copy it. Go back into your Sui wallet, and right here where it says enter address, we're just going to paste in the address we copied from Binance. Tap on review. And this is the gas fee that we're going to end up paying for our Sui deposit. After you've made sure everything is correct, just tap on send now. And that's how to send Sui from your Sui wallet to Binance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.